Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss MCQ questions on financial accounting or accountancy. So we are going to discuss around 150 to 200 MCQ questions which are useful for the students of 11th commerce, the students of competitive examinations, MBA students for semester 1 management accounting, BBA students, BCA students. The questions are useful. So like the channel, subscribe the video. Let us begin with the questions. In this particular session I am taken 20 MCQ questions we are going to discuss. First question is dash dash provides information for income determination. Option A financial accounting, option B cost accounting, option C both A and B mean financial accounting and cost accounting, option D none of the above. The correct answer is financial accounting. Financial accounting provides information for income determination. Question number 2. Dash dash is the oldest branch of accounting. Which is the oldest branch of accounting? You have to answer. First one is management accounting, B cost accounting, C financial accounting, D none of the above. The correct answer is financial accounting. Financial accounting is the oldest branch of accounting. Question number 3. The art of recording business transaction in a systematic and regular manner is called. We have to answer which accounting. Answer A accounting, B cost accounting, C financial accounting, D bookkeeping. The correct answer is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is an art of recording business transactions in a systematic and regular manner. Question number 4. Dash dash is the post-mortem of past cost. Option A financial accounting, option B cost accounting, option C management accounting, option D all the above. The correct answer is financial accounting. So why it is post-mortem means financial accounting records the transactions, past transactions only. It will not consider into the future transactions. So it records past transactions. Question number 5. Which among the following is not a concept of accounting? Option A business entity concept, B accrual concept, C dual aspect concept, D similar entity. The correct answer is similar entity. Business entity, accrual and dual aspects are the accounting concept. Similar entity is not an accounting concept. Question number 6. Internal user of accounting information. Which are following are the internal users of accounting information? A creditors, B researchers, C employees, D banks. The correct answer is employees. Creditors, researchers and banks are the external user of accounting information. Question number 7. External user of accounting information. A manager, B owner, C employee, D creditor. The correct answer is D creditor. Manager, owner and employee are the internal users of accounting information. Question number 8. Value in closing stock at cost is an application of prudence, A prudence, B money measurement, C consistency, D dual aspect. So value in closing stock at cost is application of prudence norms. Question number 9. According to which concept business and businessmen are treated as different entity? A money measurement, B cost concept, C dual aspect concept, D business entity concept. According to answer is D business entity concept. According to business entity concept, business and businessmen are different entity. Question number 10. The fundamental accounting equation assets is equal to liability is the expression of A matching concept, B entity concept, C going concern concept, D dual aspect concept. The correct answer is dual aspect. Assets is equal to liabilities. Question number 11. The policy of anticipate no profit but provide for all possible losses. A. Convention of consistency. B. Conservatism. C. Convention of materiality. D. Full disclosure. The correct answer is conservatism. We can anticipate losses but we cannot anticipate for profit while recording the transactions in the books of accounts. Question number 12. What is the concept that supports the issuance of interim report? A. Relevance. B. Materiality. C. Consistency. D. Faithful representation. The correct answer is relevance. Question number 13. What is a journal? A. Original entry. B. Double entry. C. Duplicate entry. D. Single entry. The correct answer is original entry. Journal is a book where the businessman is recording the original transactions, first transactions. It is a prime entry where we are recording all the transactions which are related to the business. Question number 14. Which account shall be debited on purchase of furniture on the purchase of cash from Yogi Limited? A. Purchase account. B. Cash account. C. Furniture account. D. Yogi account. So when we purchase the furniture for cash, both furniture and cash are the real account. What are the rule real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. When we purchase furniture, furniture comes and cash goes out. Both are real account. So furniture account debit to cash account. So the question is which account shall be debited? So furniture account is debited. Option A, furniture account, cash account, furniture account and Yogi account. The correct answer is furniture account. Question number 15. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. This rule is applicable to A. Nominal account, B. Real account, C. Personal account, D. None of the above. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. This rule is applicable for personal account. The answer is C. Question number 16. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. This is the rule of personal account, B. Nominal account, C. Real account, D. None of the above. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. This is the rule of real account. Question number 17. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. This rule is applicable to A. Personal account, B. Real account, C. Nominal account, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Nominal account. Question number 18. Which account will be credited into the payment of wages? A. Wages account, B. Cash account, C. Bank account, D. Either B or C. So here payment of wages paid. So journal entry is wages account debit to cash account. Wages is a nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, wages and expenses. So we will debit wages account and credit cash account. When we are paying the wages, cash is the real account. So rule of cash real account is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. When we paid wages, cash goes out. So wages account debit to cash account. So whether it is paid in cash or bank, it is not given. So the answer, correct answer is either cash or bank. So option D is B or C. Question number 19. Entries in a journal are made date wise, month wise, annually, none of the above. A. Date wise, B. Month wise, C. Annually, D. None of the above. The correct answer is date wise. So journal is the first entry, prime entry. We are recording the transactions in a chronological order, means date wise we are recording. Last question, question number 20. Ledger account consists of one side, two side, three side, all the above. The correct answer is two sides. Generally ledger account consists of two sides. So thank you. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Next video will come with further questions on MCQs.